To find a confidence interval, you first need to open StatCrunch, and you can use the software for all of these problems, and I would recommend that. You can work them out by hand, but the bigger the data set, the longer the problem takes, whereas all you need to do is open up the data in StatCrunch and run it. So in our first column here, I'm going to enter the weights from our problem. So under the var1, we had 0.8403, 0.8363, and 0.8447. Okay. Then we're going to go to stat. We're going to be running a z-statistic, and we have one sample, and it's with data. If I would have given you a mean and a standard deviation instead, you would do the summary, but since it's in the table, it's with data. Our column is just our var1 column. Our standard deviation they gave us is a 0.0068. Click next. We are going to do a confidence interval. We're not hypothesizing anything, which we will do here in just a little bit. And we're going to change our level to a 0.99% because the problem is asking for a 99% confidence interval. We can just leave that one blank and click on calculate. And there's our 99% confidence interval. If you look, our lower limit here, the L limit is 0.8303. Our upper limit is 0.8505. That tells me that 99% of the time when I conduct a sample of similar size and a similar type of a study, I should get a mean somewhere between 0.8303 and 0.8505. You would write the confidence interval in parentheses with the lower limit and then comma upper limit.